Once there was a man who lived with his wife and young son. Despite their beautiful home, the man noticed as his son was growing up that he was developing a bad temper and would often get angry at his parents and other kids at school. The boy's words started hurting other people and his friends started to avoid him. One morning, the man gave his son a bag of nails and a hammer and instructed him to hammer a nail into their wooden fence every time the boy lost his temper. While this sounded odd to the boy, he followed the instructions. After the first day, he had already hammered 43 nails into the wooden fence. This was alarming to the boy and he decided to try to control his anger. Over the next few weeks, the number of nails he was hammering into the fence slowly decreased because the boy discovered it was easier to hold his temper than to drive the nails into the fence. Eventually one day, the boy didn't lose his temper at all. He told his father the news, and his father responded by telling the boy that he should pull out a nail every day he keeps his temper under control. Several weeks passed and the boy had removed all of the nails because he had changed his behavior. His father took him to the wooden fence in the yard and said, "You have done very well, but look at the holes in the fence, it will never be the same. When you say things in anger, it leaves a scar just like this one. No matter how many times you say I'm sorry, the wound is still there." The moral: people can say things out of anger that they later regret. The wounds that hurtful words create are like holes in the fence, which cannot be repaired, even with an apology.